How good Amazon store product maintenance can save your business from drowning in global pandemic. Introduction. When you begin to sell products online, especially on Amazon, it's more different than running an offline store. In the e-commerce business, there are a lot of things you need to keep in mind, such as keywords, product descriptions, product images, customer relations, marketing, and more. There is a never-ending list that you as a retailer cannot manage alone. Therefore, outsourcing companies provide high-quality Amazon store product maintenance services remotely. In this guide, we will help you to know how Amazon Virtual Assistant can help you with all the required tasks. Mistakes sellers make while selling on Amazon. Not being a professional, there is a maximum probability that you can mess up with the productivity of your online store while attempting to do all tasks alone. As a result, you might see a heavy downfall in your business, unnecessary rise in expenditure, bad customer relations, and poor brand impression. Hence, you indeed need an Amazon Virtual Assistant to work along with you and improve your business. Hire Amazon Virtual Assistants. Perhaps, hiring Amazon Virtual Assistants will always help you and come in handy. You can expect a variety of ancillary e-commerce management services from VAs. Some of the are mentioned below: Amazon SEO services, Amazon image editing services, Amazon store product maintenance, Amazon product listing services, Amazon SEO keyword optimization. Conclusion. As you know, to become a successful e-commerce retailer, you are just a step away from hiring Amazon Virtual Assistants. So, find the best suitable outsourcing company and get your Amazon store product maintenance done well. Reach us info@data4amazon.com, www.data4amazon.com, 1-585-283-0055.